Hello guys, I'm Victor Godfrey and you're welcome to my channel where I provide step-by-step tutorials, expert tips and proven strategies to help you create, publish and generate passive income, turning your ideas into a lucrative business and profitable digital asset. Today I want to take you on a journey that's not just about me, but also about you and what's possible when we dare to dream big. 2025 is my year to take Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing to the next level, and I'm inviting you to join me in this exciting adventure. Whether you're thinking about writing your first book, exploring passive income ideas, or just curious about how self-publishing works, this discussion is for you. And by the end of it, hope you feel as inspired as I do and ready to take actions for your own goals. You might be wondering why Amazon KDP? Well, let me tell you why I'm so excited about it. Amazon KDP isn't just a publishing platform. It is a gateway to endless opportunities. It has a global reach. So just imagine your book being available to readers all over the world, and just a few clicks, that's the power of KDP. You are the boss and you decide what to write, how it looks, and even how much it costs. Unlike many businesses, self-publishing doesn't require a fortune to get started. Every book you publish has the potential to generate income for years to come. For me, KDP isn't just about publishing books. It's about creating a legacy, achieving financial freedom, and helping others through meaningful content. Now, let me share my vision with you. These aren't just goals. They are my blueprint for the year ahead. And as I walk you through them, think about how they could also apply to your own journey too. My first goal for 2025 is to publish 20 high-quality books. Yes, you heard that right. 20 books by the end of 2025. Sounds ambitious, doesn't it? But here's the thing, it's not just about quantity. It's about creating value, high quality content that serves my audience. So here's how I'm going to do it. I'll start with a deep research to find what readers want. I will collaborate with editors and designers to ensure each book is polished and professional. I will also diversify my genre, covering topics like self-help, health, finance, and niche-specific guides. What about you? Is there a topic you're passionate about? Maybe 2025 is the year you turn your knowledge into a book. Then my second goal is to earn $10,000 monthly in passive income. Who wouldn't love to earn while they sleep? That's the big goal, but with a solid strategy, it's totally achievable. Here is the plan. I'm going to create books that people will want to buy all year round, like evergreen topics that never go out of style. I'll use Amazon advertising tools to get my books in front of more readers. I will also experiment with different pricing strategies to find the sweet spot for each book. So if you're aiming for financial freedom, think about how publishing could become one of your income streams. My third goal will be to build a community of 10,000 readers. Books are more than words on a page. They are connections between people. So in 2025, I want to create a loyal community of readers who trust me and love what I create. And here is how I plan to make it happen. I'm going to start an email newsletter to share updates, free resources, and sneak peeks. I will also engage with readers on social media because who doesn't love a good behind-the-scenes stories? I will create interactive experiences like a live Q&A sections or online book clubs. Building relationships with your audience can be a game changer. What kind of community would you love to build? My fourth goal will be to establish a personal brand. This one is big. I want people to see my name and instantly think that's someone who creates books that matters. And here are my strategies to getting there. I'm going to launch a blog sharing insights about self-publishing and the topics my books cover. I will also host webinars and workshops to help others start their publishing journey. I will also collaborate with influencers to expand my reach. So if you're thinking about self-publishing, branding yourself is one of the best investments you can make. You're probably thinking, this all sounds great, but how do you actually pull it off? Well, let me break it down into simpler, actionable steps. The first step will be research, research, and research. Success starts with knowing what people want. I will spend time identifying niches, studying competitors, and finding the perfect keywords. The second step will be to create amazing content. Every book I publish will solve a problem or bring joy to someone's life. I will collaborate with experts, ensure professional editing, and invest in eye-catching book cover designs. The third step will be for me to market like a pro. No one will buy your book if they don't know it exists. So I'm going to use Amazon ads, email campaigns, and social media to spread the word. My first step will be to scale and diversify. I'm not stopping at ebooks. I will expand into audiobooks, perhaps paperbacks, and even create courses. So let's be real. Every journey has its bump in the road. So here are a few challenges I expect to face and how I will overcome them. When creativity runs dry, I will take a break, seek inspiration, and use prompts to get back to track. I will focus on niches where I can stand out and add unique value. Diversifying my income streams will help me stay steady even when sales dip. What challenges do you think you might face? And how can you turn them into opportunities for growth? Listen, guys, this isn't just about me. It's about you too. If I can go from dreaming about publishing to setting these ambitious goals, so can you. Here is why I believe anyone can succeed with Amazon KDP. You don't need a fancy degree or a big budget, just a willingness to learn and take action. Every book you publish is a chance to make an impact, even if it is just on one person's life. The possibilities are endless, and the only limit is your own imagination. So guys, this is my roadmap to Amazon KDP success in 2025. From scaling my publishing empire to creating books that truly connect with readers, these goals aren't just about numbers. They're about inspiring growth, creativity, and meaningful impact. Now, here's the exciting part. I want you to join me on this journey. So whether you're a seasoned publisher just starting out or simply curious about the world of self-publishing, there's room for everyone to grow. So guys, now that you've heard my goals, it's time to think about yours. What could you achieve in 2025 if you to start today? Here's my challenge to you. Think about what you want to accomplish and be bold about it. Whether it's brainstorming ideas, writing a chapter, or researching a topic, start small, but start now. Stay committed. The road might not be easy, but it is worth it. Let's make 2025 the year we turn our dreams into reality. If this inspired you, let me know what you're planning. I'd love to hear about your goals and cheer you on. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope my goals for 2025 has sparked some ideas and motivations for your own journey. Remember, the hardest part is starting, but once you take that first step, the possibilities are endless. Let's make 2025 unforgettable. Let's publish books, build communities, and create lives we are proud of. I can't wait to see what we'll all achieve together. Once again, thanks for watching. And if you found value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me reach more aspiring authors like you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tips that could actually take your publishing career to the next level. And lastly, drop a comment below and share your goals for 2025. I'd love to know what you're aiming for and how I can help you achieve them. Together, let's make 2025 the year of unstoppable success. See you in the next video.